Hello everyone, parents and students. I really hope you're okay because I'm great. And this time I'm sending you this video because we are going to make a review. As you know, this Saturday we're going to have the final exam. So you really need to study and keep in mind all the units that you need to study. So we're going to make this review with Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4, all of them. Buenas tardes a todos, espero que estén bien, padres y estudiantes. Esta vez les voy a enviar este video ya que quiero hacer un repaso más a fondo, quizás con el vocabulario, la gramática que estuvimos viendo durante este semestre. Así que vamos a hacer un pequeño review de todo lo estudiado en la unidad 1, la unidad 2, 3 y 4. Todo lo que vimos durante este semestre. So, let's start. The first word is snowboarding. Then we have mountain biking, skiing, bowling, kayaking, sailing. The next word is skateboarding, ice skating. And the last one is fishing. So now let's talk about the grammar. In this unit we talked about abilities. Hablamos sobre habilidades, cosas en las que somos buenos y cosas en las que no. So we have this question that is, what are you good at? ¿En qué eres bueno? Repeat. What are you good at? And how do we reply to this question? Esta pregunta contestamos, I am good at an activity. For instance, what are you good at, Jorge? I am good at fishing. But what if someone else asks for a specific activity? Someone might ask, are you good at mountain biking? And we have two possible answers. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. So, are you good at snowboarding, guys? So now let's move on to the next unit, that is Unit 2. In this unit, we talk about around town. So the places that we can find in our city or in our place. Let's start with that vocabulary. First, we have subway station. Please repeat. Subway station. Museum. Crosswalk. Bus station. Square. Restaurant. Bank. Hotel. And the last one is shopping mall. So those were the vocabulary, but what about grammar? When we want to go to a place, we can ask, where's the, and the place that we need to get to. For instance, where's the museum? Or we can also ask, how can I get to the museum? And there's where you're going to give the directions. For instance, how can I get to the bank? You can answer, start at the museum, go straight ahead 2 blocks, and then turn left. The bank is between the school and the hospital. Now let's talk about Unit 3. This unit is called At Work. So in this unit, learn different works or jobs that you might be dreaming about. So let's start with that vocabulary. Repeat after me. The first one is pilot, bus driver, actor, vet, businessman, and businesswoman, singer, artist, nurse, and doctor. So, what do you want to be when you grow up? So, in this unit, we learn how to ask to somebody what that person do or what is the job that this person has. If you want to know what this person is working every day, you might ask, what do you do? And you can reply with the answer, I am a singer, for example. Or you can also ask, what does your mom do? And you might answer, she is a doctor. We also have the question, what do you want to be? So we use this question to talk about the future. What is your dream, guys? What do you want to be in the future? You might answer, I want to be a pilot, or I want to be an astronaut. And finally, we get to the last unit. That is unit 4, wild animals. So guys, what do you know about wild animals? Which one is your favorite? So let's see the vocabulary for this unit. First, we have panda, panda, bear, bear, jaguar, bat. Yes, just like the bat, but not that one. Bat. Koala, gorilla, kangaroo, penguin, parrot, owl. And those were the wild animals. But what about the grammar in this unit? In this unit, we learn how to compare these animals. We use the comparative form. That is, when we have a short adjective, we are going to add er at the end of the word. But what when we have two syllables adjective, but this adjective ends with the y? We have a normal adjective that is two syllables, but does not end with a y. We are only going to add er. But if this one ends with a y, we are going to change that y for a I and add er. For example, those adjectives. And what if we have a long adjective? I don't know, something like dangerous. At the beginning or before the word, we are going to add the word more. And then after the adjective, we are going to add the word than. Is the one that we are going to use to compare. For example, the lion is faster than the snake. The gorilla is stronger than a parrot. The monkey is happier than a turtle. Or we can also say the bear is more dangerous than a penguin. So guys, I really hope this video can be useful for you to study for the final exam. So please practice and work on your workbook and read the student book, because all of this is going to be pretty useful for you. So thank you guys. Gracias chicos y padres por ver el video. Espero esto les pueda ayudar para que puedan estudiar para el examen. Por favor, trabajen en el libro de actividades que es el workbook y también repasen lo que es el student book. Goodbye, see ya.